Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Today, I'm going to share with you the user experience of the brand new Xiaomi Robot Vacuum G1. Xiaomi G1 appears to be a slim design with a height of 82mm only. It can clean the area under your bed and sofa. G1's wheel is smaller if compared to Roborock S5. That is why it looks slimmer. This robot vacuum has a suction power of 2200 PA, which is almost the same as other models of Xiaomi and Roborock robot vacuum. It is hard to tell the difference in its suction ability with another vacuum model, G1, equipped with a lower spec of the sensor. Hence, it will bang the surroundings more vigorously. Sometimes it will be stuck in the more narrow and messy region of your house. G1's battery capacity is only 2500 mAh, which is much smaller if compared to Roborock S5, which has a battery capacity of 5200 mAh. However, G1 has the ability to auto-return to dock to recharge and resume cleaning after charging. Regarding its water tank, it can store water up to 200 milliliters of water, which is slightly bigger than Roborock S6's, which is 140 milliliters. We can adjust the water level to Mop from the app. Unlike other cheaper robot vacuum cleaner, Xiaomi G1 has a well-planned cleaning path instead of cleaning the floor randomly. It won't miss out on any part of your house. From the aspect of the Xiaomi app, we can connect G1 to Xiaomi app, in the condition we change the region to China mainland. Otherwise, the app cannot detect G1. This robot only speaks Chinese, no other languages available. From the Xiaomi app, we can set the cleaning schedule, adjust the water level, suction mode, start cleaning, and stop cleaning. We cannot set a virtual wall and no-go zone. For the maintenance part, G1's parts easily get. Its part is comparable with other models of Xiaomi and Roborock robot vacuum cleaner. In conclusion, Xiaomi G1 is an economic robot vacuum with a mop. It is suitable to be used in a small house, and for those who don't need to set a no-go zone and a virtual wall. For the price of RM600 RM700, do you think it is worth to buy? Next, I will show you the cleaning activity of G1. If you like this kind of video, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and see you soon.